Hello and welcome to Stealth Developers. I'd like to announce our new house kits that we have available now that allows you to get an affordable home starting at around $10,000 that has a fully functional kitchen and bath and even a solar package to set up your unit. Now, our company mainly specializes in building survival vehicles and homes because our objective is to design these where they're off-grid and you can basically assemble these and either live in them in the outdoors or even put them in your backyard. But we have many investors that buy these for rentals, but even business owners that use these as offices. But we also sell these to people that are survivalists that want to put these on a recreational lot to be off-grid. Our company is primarily a dealership, is what we are. We have sold a lot of composite paneled homes that originally come out of Asia. And we either sell these as a house or a cabin or even as an expedition truck. And these panels are pretty amazing, but they look very industrious, but also the R value is terrible. The R value is around like an R10 on average. But we want to establish a home for you that looks more like a house instead of an industrial look to it, and also allow you to be able to set these up off-grid. And the last challenge that we face is that we have a lot of customers that are not able to get these homes accessible to their property. So if we deliver an 8-foot by 20-foot shipping container home, many people just can't get it over their house or get it to a property. So the great thing about having a home built as a panel system is you can put in the back of your pickup truck and drive it up to your property and get it assembled. And so those are the issues that we face, and these are the solutions that we have on establishing a home like this. So I want to create a building that does not just come out of Asia and is easy to access on the property and has a high R value and looks like a regular home. That is what I want. So I have tried to work with SIP panel companies that I've called. I called a couple dozen companies to see if they can make these pre-paneled systems with electrical and plumbing already installed, because I want you to be able to assemble these and already have the plumbing electrical in where you're just snapping it together. Nobody does this. I don't know why, but nobody does it. So our company, Stealth Developers, has established a paneled home system that has electrical and plumbing included inside these walls with insulation at an R value of 17.5. These are very lightweight and very easy to put together, that anybody can do this no matter what your experience may be, as long as you can follow the plans. The other great part about this is that most of our structures are 8 feet wide, but with these paneled systems, you can make this as small as 6 feet or even 20 feet wide. So you can make these as wide as you like. And we have many customers that want to make these 20 feet by 20 feet is what a lot of people want. So all you have to do is pick out the layout that we're going to have on our website by tomorrow with our catalog. And you can pick what panel you want. You want a window panel, a door panel, or even a breaker box panel. And you just snap them together when you set up your home. And we can pre-build it in our factory here and deliver it out to you. You can just pop your house together. Now, because this is a new product launch, our basic model with no paint, but fully functional kitchen and bath with solar is about $10,000. But for the first 3 orders we're going to do, we are going to offer these for $10,000 with paint included. Paint takes a long time. It's very tedious for us. That's why we are offering the product originally for $10,000 with no paint. But if you act now in one of the first 3 orders, you can get it with paint included. We have not completed our catalog yet, but it will be up and running by tomorrow. But we've had at least 6 people harassing us for the past week wanting to get the information on this, because we announced this a week ago and we just haven't completed everything yet, such as our catalog. So bear with us, but if you would like to get the first seat in having a order in for $10,000 for an 8 by 20 home we can set up for you, we can do that. But again, thanks for your support. We're really excited about this. We do have our fiberglass campers that we are setting up already. That's my next step I would like to share with you on the next set of videos. But again, thank you so much, and you guys have a wonderful day.